down. You're hitting his bell repeatedly.
Where's your gas? Where's your gas?
Suppressing fire. Nope. Fuck.
Hey! Oh!
I got him! I got him!
Oh!
I got him! Make him stronger!
No gas.
Damn it, no! Shit! Shit! I can't get my fucking handcuffs on my
I don't
body!
know!
Handcuff! Handcuff! Alright, I'm gonna get
Ah! Ah! Ah!
He's
Ah! Oh! Yes! Chickens! Oh!
Search him! Search him!
Melee, 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 melee.
Hit! Oh my god, that hurt!
Yes, it is.
Ah!
Juggernaut's down again!
Why did you kill me?
Handcuffing.
Close it down!
Okay, Juggernaut is handcuffed.
Close it in the woods! Juggernaut is handcuffed!
Ah! 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 Ah!
Heads!
Ah! 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 Murder!
Grenade the Juggernaut!
Ah!
My fucking... Where'd that go? Somebody help me with the Juggernaut! I have no fucking clue what to do with him!
13, 14, 15.
Does that count?
It doesn't reset it.
Oh, you're back in.
Yeah, now it does.
Okay, I'm gonna run now. Juggernaut's out for 10 seconds!
15. You better not take my chickens! This is my lab! You killed my friend!
Oh no!
He just flips the rope! Hey! Somebody start searching the woods! There's something out there that will stop him!
Ah!
you.
Oh, please, I don't, that's not lootable.
Okay.
Those are 15 bucks a piece, sorry.
Yeah, sorry. What else you got? Anything cool?
If I have something in there or here.
How about the sledgehammer?
You can take it from me now, yeah. But careful, this is not mine. Mayor! Stop where you are, I'll shoot you! Come here!
Hello.
Hello. You're friends with the farmer lady, right?
Oh, friend. Ooh, friends is a strong word. I'm good.
Cuff yourself.
Yes, sir.
Come with me. Ah! 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 1.
I'll take it.
Come with me. We'll go see your friend.
Yes, sir.
Hey, farmer lady! I got one of your friends out here!
Help me.
Actually, no. Murder!
Okay. All right, I'm done.
Come here, Mayor.
Yeah.
Everyone, put your guns down, or I'll kill the mayor.
You say that like I give a shit about the mayor. So, just hit the ring. Ringing.
Yeah.
So, you and I need to have a conversation. Ow! Oh shit!
Take her legs down, heal her.
Copy that. Ding him, ding.
Yeah, just do it. He's gonna rip it in like 3 seconds. It doesn't freaking matter. Grab the mayor. Get him out of here.
All right, you're healed.
Stay here, chicken lady. No, you're fine.
Oh man, that was.
Oh,
Are you dead now?
Yeah. I'm not dead, but I'm out of juice.
Alright, give me the handcuffs! Give me the handcuffs! He's weakened! Now's the time, guys!
Where's that item at?
Handcuffs! I need handcuffs!
Drag me to the you have to drag me to the reactor.
Drag you to over here.
Yeah.
Let
me get
I
up.
can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. All right.
Now retreat with them.
Huh?
Retreat with them. Grab your chickens and run.
Oh God. Here's my chickens. Here's my chickens.
Farmer lady! Come back!
I beat you this time.
Give me my chickens!
No. You just let them die, Sphinx.
No!
Yes, you do.
No!
Yes, you do.
They can't die! No one else can die!
You're a special chicken. Peter wants me to leave him with you. Six, I'm sorry, Six. I'm sorry for you.
I don't know, man.
Everybody run! Retreat! We gotta go! We gotta go!
Back.
He's dead. But he's hanging out behind the barrel. I think he's